The food and beverage industry demands speed, precision, and uncompromising quality. From sourcing raw materials to production, packaging, inventory management, and distribution, every process must be carefully monitored to ensure food safety, regulatory compliance, and customer satisfaction. PMTechERP is a comprehensive manufacturing ERP solution designed specifically to help food and beverage manufacturers streamline operations and achieve complete operational excellence. PMTechERP integrates procurement, production planning, inventory management, quality control, warehouse operations, finance, sales, and supply chain management into one intelligent platform. With real-time visibility across every department, businesses can improve productivity, reduce operational costs, and make faster, data-driven decisions. The platform is designed to support batch-based manufacturing, shelf life management, traceability, and food safety compliance. The solution includes advanced recipe and bill of materials management, batch production, production scheduling, work order management, material requirement planning, and real-time shop floor monitoring. These features help manufacturers optimize production, minimize waste, improve resource utilization, and consistently deliver high-quality products. Quality management is built into every stage of the manufacturing process. PMTechERP provides complete batch and lot traceability, quality inspections, laboratory testing records, document management, audit trails, and non-conformance tracking. The system also supports compliance with food industry standards including FSMA, HACCP, ISO 22000, BRCGS, and FSSC 22000, helping manufacturers simplify audits and maintain regulatory compliance. Advanced inventory and warehouse management features help monitor stock levels, track expiry dates, manage FIFO and FEFO inventory methods, and ensure uninterrupted availability of raw materials and finished goods. Integrated procurement and supplier management strengthens supply chain efficiency while reducing production delays. Powerful dashboards, AI-driven analytics, and business intelligence reports provide complete visibility into production performance, inventory status, quality metrics, operational costs, and overall business efficiency. Whether you manufacture dairy products, beverages,